Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this super cute defined twist out using a brand called My Fluffy Puffs. I'm starting obviously on dirty hair, you guys. My hair has not been washed in a good week or so. So I am starting by using the foam cleanser by My Fluffy Puffs. So y'all let me know in the comments if you have ever used a foam cleanser. This was my first time trying it and I actually really liked it. So this cleanser can be used for your skin and hair. And this cleanser is also free of shea and coconut oil. I know some people's hair definitely do not do well with coconut oil. So if you're one of those people, this cleanser would be great for you. And this does contain babazu oil, which is an oil from Brazil, and this is very good for conditioning the hair, also good for the skin, seal split ends. Next, we're going to go in with the My Fluffy Puffs Regal 9 Condition and Growth Oil. And all of these products are unisex, and this particular oil is very good for men to use on their beards for growth as well. This oil contains pumpkin seed, which is good for preventing hair loss. And so next I'm going to be going in with the My Fluffy Puffs Twist Frosting with Biotin. And I went ahead and added a little bit of leave-in conditioner after I washed out the foam, and so I just added the twist frosting on top of that. And I added a generous amount, and I'm just going to go ahead and tightly twist my hair all the way down. And the twisting cream is actually not available at this moment for purchase, but will be available in the future for order, so just stay on the lookout for that. And I'm going to actually stop about an inch or two up and spray a bit of water on the ends of my hair because, yeah, I just want it to curl up, as y'all can see, the little curl. And I'm going to repeat this process all around my head and do about medium-sized twists. And it's so cool to me that this styler contains biotin. I have never seen or used a styler before that actually has a biotin infused in it, and biotin, as you all may know, is very good for hair strengthening and growth. And so as you guys can see, once I get to the end of my twist, I'm going to spray the little water and twirl the ends around my finger to just make sure it coils and does not come unraveled. And so we are finally done, y'all, with all of the twists. And I'm going to go ahead and put on my silk scarf. Y'all know the routine, and let this dry overnight. And I will sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes the next day. And so it is the next day and my hair is fully dry. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel these twists. And are y'all seeing this definition? Like, this twist frosting did that. Like, she did that. As y'all can see, my hair is shiny and it still feels really soft. And so yeah, as I continue to unravel, y'all are just going to see the definition that this frosting gave me. And so I'm just picking my hair out with my handy dandy favorite pick. And I also want to mention that this is a black owned brand, you guys. I love supporting black owned brands, so definitely check her out. The owner is so sweet, and the link will be in my bio, so go check it out. And just to spice up my twist out a little bit, I'm going to add 2 flat twists, one on the left side and one on the right side. And then I'm just going to bring both twists to the back of my head and secure them with bobby pins. And so yeah, this is the completed look, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Definitely check out my fluffy puffs. The link is in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video.